Meaning of jobber.
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 Jobber. The term jobber can have different meanings depending on the context, but generally it refers to someone who buys and sells goods or services for a profit without producing or providing them directly. In the business world, a jobber may act as an intermediary between producers and retailers, purchasing large quantities of goods at wholesale prices and then reselling them to retailers at a markup. In the construction industry, a jobber may be a contractor who hires subcontractors to perform specific tasks on a project. The term jobber can also refer to a wrestler who performs in small-scale events rather than high-profile matches.